You want to know what I was thinking, folks? I was thinking, what could I do on this Sunday's premiere? And guess what? I know what a crowd favorite is. I know you guys like, listen, a breakfast country skillet. Let's get it. Okay, so look, first thing we want to do is we want to go over these ingredients, right? Look, it's not a whole lot. I want you guys to take a look. Look, I got the trio, you know, of bell peppers, right? Green, obviously red, and yellow / orange. You know, they do have an orange one that is really more orange, but I'm looking at this right now. It looks like it's trying to turn that way anyway. But listen, you can use whatever you have. Mostly everybody always keeps green in their little veggie tray in the refrigerator, so that'll work with this too. Now, if you want to look, I got some cheese, shredded that. We got some parsley, because we always got to have a pop of that green on it, right? You got to have eggs. We talking about, hey, I know we're going to start that whole debate. Do we like them over easy, scrambled, and all that? You guys let me know down in the comment section below. But take a look at these right here. This right here, these is fire. These are just regular russet potatoes, right? We're going to take these potatoes. I want you guys to come over here. Look, I'm going to be using the apparatus, right? This is my fry cutter. Drop these in. Listen, they've already been cleaned, so look, I'm not finna peel these. You guys do them how you want to do them. I put them in here, cut them. We get French fries. I take those and cut them. Cuts my time down dramatically, right? I always got my buddy here, salt and pepper. Where are my people at that know the group Salt and Pepper? Hey, listen, I can't make nothing you guys know without using a little bit of that Creole kick. You know what I mean? That just gives me, you know, some nice flavors, right? So, it's a breakfast skillet. Look at this right here. Boom, we got some thick cut bacon. If you guys had watched, I got these from, this particular brand right here is Porter Roll. I'm hooked on it, I'm sold on it. I want you guys to just know this. Listen, I do sponsored content every now and then, and when I do it, I'm a believer. When I tell you that, you can know, because you'll see me using it throughout my videos. That's how you know that I really believe. Hey, with that being said, I'm using my skillet. Let's get it. We're gonna start learning the multitask for us, you know, new people that's in the kitchen, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take these. You cut these how you want to. I'll say 1 inch, that'll be just fine, you know? Here we go, just like this. For me, I do everything, I like it a little bit on the meatier side, right? So I just set this off to the side. This right here is fine. I want you guys to take a look. You can see it right there. Look, it's gonna shrink up and get even smaller. That's why I do the 1 inch. So let's go ahead and get this on here. Now, you guys cook your bacon however you like it. For me, I like mine a little bit on the soft side. And I don't want to do this in batches. If you guys have this much bacon, you might want to. But for me, since I've been cooking bacon for so long, I know what to do here. Listen, this much bacon is gonna break a lot of fat in here. And we're gonna use that fat, folks. Go ahead and just cut this down. You know, cut my peppers down, right? Let me go ahead and prep the veggies, and then I'll show you what we do next. You can see the bacon right here. Look at this. Look at how much goodness it has left in the pan. And we'll just start taking these out, right? This bacon fat, it's gonna serve a purpose, you know, because we gotta cook down these veggies, you know what I mean, and do some things like that. You know, I gotta go in my refrigerator right now just to look and see, do I have any onion? You know, how could I be making this without onion? Me, I got a French fry cutter, right? This make your life so much easier. Instead of buying it like frozen, we probably all keep potatoes at the pad too. If you got one of these, it make your life much, much easier. You know what? I'm gonna take this, and then for all the, I guess the food police is out there, I'll go ahead and just say, listen, it's already been, you know, washed, scrubbed and washed, right? So I'm gonna just take these. Hey, another thing you can do though, if you can find these on Amazon, you can find yourself a small pair of hands, right? So look, I'm gonna do this, get this in here just like this, and then I'm just gonna let them shoot on my cutting board right here, right? So just hold my hand right here. It's a method to my madness, right? So start putting a little muscle to it, right? Bring it over this way, boom. Now you wanna know about the method? This is the method. When I stack these up like this, take a look at that. When I stack them, now I can cut them. Just the way you get them in the bags, folks. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and do these other two. I'm not gonna peel mine. You guys can do yours the way you wanna do them, but for me, I like them like this. Let me do these other two, and then we go to the next step. Okay, so look, this is what I wanted to show you guys. I take them like this, push them all up like this, right? And then we just wanna get them all the same size. So check it out. If I cut down that way, and then I just make sure I keep them all the same size, when I put them in this skillet, you got the rest. Super easy, folks. Look at this right here. Let me just grab it. Why do we buy it? Look at that. Everything is prepped and ready to go. I gotta hurry up because I don't want my potatoes to start turning brown, right? So what I'm gonna do is, look, you guys gotta have one of these. I have this. I got a mason jar that I keep grease in too. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna drain some of the oil that we had, you know, from our bacon. So let me go ahead and get this drained. Let me get this right. Then we wanna bring this up to temp. Then we're gonna start with our onions. We're gonna start with our bell peppers. Hey, and now that I said onion, I'm gonna check my refrigerator to see if I got any. Guess what I found, folks? Ta-da! Got some onions. I like them. And then you guys gonna follow me for a minute. You know, I always tell everybody, we start first with our onions. I'm only gonna give this just a small head start, right? Any bacon residue that's in here, we good with that. I just want to get it coated, just to get them warm. I had these in the refrigerator. For me, I can't have enough onions. You guys do it how you want to do it. I ain't gonna front for you. I'm gonna put a little bit in there. This is not gonna be enough for me, right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just add all of my bell peppers. And the reason I didn't give the onions so much of a head start, because if you saw, look how small I had them diced, you know? So that's why. But I still always start with those first. I just seen somebody jump out of here. You know what I mean? Hey, you think he's slick, but I'm gonna find him and drop him in this hot bacon grease. Now we only gonna cook these. I'm on a medium high flame. I'm only gonna cook these for maybe about 4 minutes. And then after that, then we'll start adding the rest to it. Okay, so you see where we at? Only went about 3.5 minutes. Right now we're gonna introduce, you got it. We're gonna introduce the potatoes, right? Look at this right here. Hey, tell me this don't beat buying them, you know, froze. And I'm gonna say this, there's nothing wrong with getting them froze, but why when you can just have them fresh like this? And I can tell you like this, when you get them, they ain't never been done in the bacon grease. Now, I gotta say something else. I did do a sponsored video for Porter Road, right? They make the bomb bacon. They make bomb food anyway, but meats, but that bacon, that beef bacon, once I get rid of the bacon that I do have right now, I'm placing an order for myself. I'm finna get myself 50 pounds. You don't believe me, keep watching these videos and just watch. I know some of you guys don't eat the pork, but I promise you, they got a beef version that kind of like just takes you back. I got everything coated with the bacon grease. You can just see how it's looking right here. I can hear it on the bottom. Oh yeah, this is cooking just fine, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and get this Creole kick right here, folks. And I'm gonna go ahead and season. This is right here gonna give us a little bit of this flavor, right? You guys put as much as you like to in there. For me, I put about, it probably equals about a tablespoon. And then of course I gotta have my buddy here. We gotta have that. What? Say it along with me. You gotta have that black pepper. Hey, super simple, man. You know what? The reason I do these kind of videos like this, because a lot of people don't even think that they can make a skillet at their house. We all run to Denny's and do stuff like that. You know what I mean? To get these skillets. Look how easy this is to make. Right? Okay, so look. You know I just put the Creole kick in there, right? Why do I use it so much? It's so flavorful. It just needs a pinch or two to just wake it up. That's all we're gonna add to it. Okay, so look, I didn't say this earlier, I should have. As you can see with your own eyes, look, this is covered, right? That's the best way to go. It helps steam it and cook it twice as fast, right? So, check this right here, and I gotta tell you, when you get yourself some good cookware, hey, all your handles and stuff don't be hot. Check it out, we'll just take this up like that. Look at that right there. You guys don't know, but take a look at my mouth. You see this toothpick right here? Look, I keep myself a toothpick, and that's how I check all of my potatoes to make sure they're nice and soft. So what I did is, I turned this off right now. I got myself a bowl. I'm gonna take all of this out and we're gonna put it in here. Why? Because we're getting ready to do the eggs. We downhill now, folks. It'll be done however you like it. Now it's up to you. You guys can scramble your eggs. You can make them over easy, which is the way I like them. We can go ahead and start that debate right now, because I know some of y'all are gonna say, hey, I don't like mine with that runny yolk. So if you wanna do scrambled eggs, we can do scrambled. And then I'm gonna show you what we do with them. So let me go ahead and get these out. Got it all out, went ahead and just cleaned up my pan. I got my bacon here, I got some cheese. Now we're gonna go ahead, you can see my butter right here, look like it's trying to start to burn, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and make my eggs the way I like them, right? I'm gonna put this over here on the top. Why? Because I wanna create some steam to try to cook the top. Even if you don't have a top for your skillet, All you gotta do is take some foil, put it over the top. We're gonna do it that old school way. That's the way Granny got down. She didn't let nothing like this, these new tops, you know, keep us in the game. So I want you guys to take a look. This is the way I like my eggs. I'm ready to read these comments because I know y'all got them. This right here is hot, so let me move my hand. So look, now we're just gonna take this like this, and then we just gonna I almost want to say decorate, but that's exactly what I'm doing. Is we just putting this, you know, here, around here like that. Then if your pan is just right, you see how that's sliding right there? It should do just like that. You know when you cook eggs in your cast iron. But this right here is what we do, folks. Now don't forget, I gotta say this is gonna launch on Mother's Day. So guess what, folks? Happy Mother's Day, everybody. We just go ahead and garnish a little bit, you know, with our bacon. And don't forget, we got that cheese. I know some of y'all thinking, man, where's that cheese at? That's up to you guys. You guys want to go ahead and put some of this, you know, your bacon, you know, inside of here and mix it all up. You can do that too. But for me, I want to strategically put it where I want to put it at. Because you know what? I know where I'm going to dig in at and get mine. But listen, you put this out on the table, you know, for any holiday, any Sunday, this is it right here. And you get yourself a trivet, which is like a little metal piece that you can put out and you can put pots, pans, anything hot. But you put this out on the table and you let everybody eat and just put something like a ladle, and you let everybody just get whatever they want to get. You know, it's got a great presentation to it also, right? So, just putting this on here, just like that. I always like to hit everything I do with a little bit of pepper. You know what I mean? Pepper looks good on it. Tells everybody you can finally learn how to season your food and all of that kind of stuff, right? So, these are eggs, and that's how those work. Now, remember I said if you got them scrambled? Now just imagine if you just would have set up a little scramble station here, here, here. You can do it 4 ways, right? Now I'm just gonna sprinkle this little cheese over the top, you know, like you see. I like to get it all over the place. I can put the top on this and let it go because I gotta cut my garnish down. And after that, I'm gonna take a picture of it. And guess what, folks? We finna eat. And now for the part that ties it all together. There's something about that green, folks. That green make it right. All right, so look, I got what I needed from it visually. And now let's just go ahead and get what we need. You know, I almost said spiritually, but I think I'm trying to say, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I can't even think, because you see this right here? Ooh-wee. And listen, when it's done right, you see that? Look at the bottom of a cast iron. Hey, for all you new people, check it out. I'll tell you how to season them. You know, go ahead and season them up right. When you get them right, these are the original non-stick pans right here. Hey, but anyway, I'm sure your grandmama done left something and left it to your mama, and your mama done gave it to you, so you can pass down to your kids. But with that being said, let's eat. All right, y'all. Hey, no more games. Hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it just the right way. Don't forget, we got a lot of flavor because we use that bacon, right? The bacon is what just sets it apart. This ain't Deanies or nothing like that. This is your own. This is how you get down. Let's do it. Cheers. I want you to ask, I'm gonna ask this question. What type of guy am I? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm gonna pause a minute and give me another bit of, another bite of these, these are excellent brand potatoes right here. I said one, but we gotta do it twice. I'm gonna give you the answer right now. I'm a meat and potato dude. So check it out. Uncle AB got you, folks. You should really be doing this, especially for all my people. If you're new, you're looking to impress. A lot of these recipes I got right now, listen, this will turn them upside down, folks. Hey, let me go ahead and chow down a little bit, and we're gonna wrap this up. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, listen, I don't know what to say. Usually you catch me wiping my mouth and all of that. Look, I had to request the water because I could not stop. I just knocked it down. Remember, make your eggs like you want to, put whatever you want to. These are another one of them type of dishes you can clear out your refrigerator and make something great. Now, let me just say this. Listen, if you guys like these aprons, don't forget to look underneath this video. Right down there at the bottom, it's probably linked like number 1. You'll be able to see the apron. I got many more patterns coming. Hey, listen, I'm in love right now with the Smokin and Grillin. This SG. You guys remember that, Smokin and Grillin. And don't forget, I got boards too. And one thing I don't say about the boards, which I should have been saying all along, is that, listen, they are in stock. There's no pre-order. I got about 120 boards, you know, made. Remember, all of them are unique. And check this out, you can make 4 easy payments, just divide it up. You know what I mean? I know everybody don't have it. I tried to make it as easy as possible for you guys to get them. And don't forget, if you get them right now, you can get with me. I'll try to rush them out as fast as I can, and hopefully it'll get to you by Mother's Day. If not, don't forget I got a code, get 10% off. With that being said, listen, I feel like I'm talking long. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me just say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and I want you guys to tell everybody out there, listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, folks, I got to divide this up and make another batch and share with everybody and you guys. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and I'm out. Peace.